Okay. So are you guys done with the execution? Like pass those commands, whatever we have done it.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Okay. Take the notes after root. Only root, you guys have taken the notes, right? For this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next command. For the next command to use it, to check. One second. To check Android screen size. Android device screen size. Screen size or display. The screen resolution also we can call it as display the screen resolution. What is the command we need to give? ADB shell
ADB shell WM size.
size. Okay, this command is used to, if you have multiple device, how should I mention? ADB -S serial number. Don't type it serial number. There you have to copy paste it. Don't forget. Okay. I'll give this option. Serial number. Then what I have to give it? Shell space shell WM size. Okay. This is the command you have to get your screen resolutions or screen the Android devices screen size. Okay. Copy these commands. And next, what is the next command we can able to do it? To check
Screen density.
Android device screen density. What is the command we have to provide here?
ADB shell WM density.
ADB shell WM density. Okay. And density we can call it as pixels of the devices. Can we call screen density? It's also called as pixels. You can give this. Okay. If they're asking screen pixels, you can mention ADB shell WM densities. Done, copied.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, to check with the Android version. Okay. To find the Android device version, Android device, Android version. Check the device Android version. To find out the Android version, what command we need to provide? ADB
shell get prop
RO dot build dot.
space
get prop, we have to give space. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
RO dot
Build dot version dot release.
version dot release. This command is used to get your Android version, whether it is a 9 or 10, 11, 12, 14, 13, whatever it may be. Executed all these three commands.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move to the other commands?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next commands to check the battery status. Okay. To check your battery status, to check the Android device battery status. Which command we need to use? ADB shell dumps his battery. Okay. Dumps his battery. So I'm copying this command prompt. You have to check your devices. Clearing. Is I'm getting all the my battery status, all information you will get for this battery status. Okay. What the AC is powered, USB is powered, is true or not, wireless or not, maximum charge capacity and maximum charge voltage and the charge counter and what is the status health, everything, all the battery related, which is the technology you are using in your device and what is the current temperature of your device's voltage and whatever related to the batteries, all the informations you will be able to get in this ADB shell dumps is battery information. Okay, current battery services state, you will get all this kind of information, you will get your current devices. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, copy this. I'll give some times, you guys need to execute. I'll give another 5 to 6 commands, then try to execute and let me know. Done? Copied this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't copy, wait for sometimes. I'll just show you in a command prompt. Few more commands. Observe here in a screen. So to check the list of phone features, to check the what are the phone features are available in on my Android devices, we need to use this command ADB shell PM list features. Okay. If you pass this command, ADB shell PM list features, you will get all the phone features which is present on your current Android devices. Okay, see here. All my Android versions, what are the Android versions I'll be using, the features, it will be completely all software and hardware related, all the information you will get it. What are the hardware applications you will be having in your devices, and also all the features, always software hardware related features, everything will be displayed. See here, features from this, all these features will be coming here. Okay, to get the all the features, phone features, you are able to see in this using this command ADB shell PM list features. Okay, to find out the phone's list features, to find out the, to check the list of phone features, list of phone features, all features, whatever hardware or software related features, you can pass this command, you will get all the features which is present on your Android devices. Okay, and next, to find out the serial number, what you guys will do it usually? Go to Android airport and you will check the this serial number. Yes or no? Or else if you give the ADB devices, you will get serial number directly here. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So one more command is there to find out the serial number of this particular device. Okay, sometimes some devices will be, if you connect with the IP addresses here, instead of serial number, it will be showing as a IP address. That time it's required for to find out the serial number of your device. Which command we is used to use? ADB space get hyphen serial number, serial NO. Okay, is it correct? Serial number of my device which is connected now. Are we able to find out the serial number of my device?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Then I want to check the TCP connectivity. What does mean by TCP? Anybody knows?
Transaction control. Transaction control protocol.
It's not transaction, transmission.
Transfer.
Transmission control protocol. Okay, it will be whatever the internet protocol will be connected with your devices. All the information will be getting in the using ADB command prompt. Okay, using ADB, which ADB commands we can able to pass to get the TCP connectivity. To check the TCP connectivity, we need to use ADB space shell net start. Okay, we need to use net start. Don't use the R. Okay, net start we need to use. See all the related to the connectivity, whatever the TCP connectivity, everything you will get the informations here. Just a second, let me a little bit more here. See all the connectivity, what are the TCP internet connectivity is there, every server information will be provided in this. If you pass this command ADB shell net start, you will get all the informations. The domain or socket, whatever the internet connection connectivity or server connectivity, everything will be socket connectivity, everything will be displaying here. Okay, all the applications related. This command is used to check the your TCP connectivity. Transmission control protocol. It is stand for that will defines how to establish or maintain the network conversation by which applications. Okay, that is mean by TCP. Clear? Next, I'll go to the command to find out the list of all services. What are the list? All the services are there. I'll go to here another command prompt. ADB devices. To find out the list of all kind of services, we need to give this command ADB shell service, ADB shell service list. If you're giving this command, it will be fetching the all the service, whatever the services list you will be having in your Android devices. Okay, shell. Yeah. See all the services, what are the software or hardware related services, every phone related services will be providing here. Okay, if you pass this command. And here, if it is a cocktail bar services or custom frequency manager services, it will be show the Android, which is the manager, everything. Okay, UI. So Samsung or outside of Samsung, everything will be services list information you will get in this using this command. Clear? Okay. Let's take the commands for this first. Shall we copy these commands? Yeah. So is it copied? ADB shell PM list features.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So what is the commands? Next we have done it to find out the serial number, right? ADB get serial number. Okay, this command is used to fetch the serial number of your devices. Okay, next command, what we have done it, ADB shell to check the TCP connectivity, right? ADB shell net start ADB shell net start. This one we have to use here to find out the list of TCP connectivity. To find out the list of TCP connectivity. Copy this here. I'll give you the note what is meant by TCP. Let me know once you guys have copied here till here. Done?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Others done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. TCP. Under that, transmission control protocol. Transmission control protocol. Transmission control protocol is a standard that defines how to establish and maintain a network conversation by which application can exchange data. Transmission control protocol is a standard that defines how to establish and maintain a network conversation by using application can exchange data full stop. TCP works with the internet protocol. TCP works with the internet protocol which defines how computer send packets of data to each other of data to each other. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the next command. ADB to find out the list of all services. Which command we are using? ADB shell.
shell service list.
ADB shell service list, right? To find out this service list, what is the mean of service list? List of all services, right? To find out the list of all services on your Android devices. To find out the all services, we need to provide ADB shell service list. Next, to check the print process status. To check the print process status, we need to pass this command ADB shell PS. ADB space shell PS. This command is used to find out the print process status. Print process status. Okay. ADB shell PS. This command is used to find the print process status. Next, I want to check the build fingerprint. Okay, my Android devices. How do we check the build fingerprint? We already know the version, right? How do we check the OS version? We already learned it. What is the build fingerprint? We need to provide ADB shell get prop space ro dot what we have given previously, build dot version dot release, right? But to check the build fingerprint, instead of to find there, you have checked the versions. So now I'll be checking for the fingerprint. Okay, fingerprint. You have to give fingerprint. Just small changes. Okay. If you pass this command, you will get the what is the device you have, what is the version you have, what is the your informations you are using on the devices. Everything you will get it. Let's execute this first. See, if I'm giving the fingerprint, if I'll get the Samsung, this versions and the particular release keys. It's a user release or production release. Okay, you will get that kind of this along with the device and all the informations which are using in the build version. This is the build versions I'll be using. This is the Android 12. Every information you will get it in this build fingerprint. Understanding?
Yes.
Getting this build fingerprint?
What exactly is that, Saujanya?
This will be just check now whatever I'm passing the command, right? This will be completely checking on the background process of your Android devices. Okay. And few information we are checking from the about phones. Whatever you will be having software related informations, right? Either version or build versions or the what is the devices and which is the users or debug builder or anything that we are checking using these commands.
Okay, so the whatever the output it has given, what does that mean?
This is this devices. Okay, in this devices, this versions we are using, this OS is 12 and the build versions and the serial number of that devices and this and user release keys we are getting. So whatever build version on in your devices you are using, complete information you will be getting on this command.
Okay.
Okay. Completely built fingerprint version you are getting.
Okay.
Yeah. Previously built version is just generating the OS version. That's it. But if you're providing as a ro.build.fingerprint, you will get all the OS version, build number, and the devices. Okay. Which device is it? Then what is the previous command we have done it? ADB shell PS. We have to check the print process, right? Print's process status. What we have to give? ADB shell PS. So this will be all these informations will be getting. Print process PS will be generating for all the informations. This is software and hardware related. This just aware of this. What are the how many services is currently having my device means 272 services I'm having my devices. Okay, it's completely about hardware and software. Both services I'll be having. Clear? It depends on your devices, whatever the services provided in from the when you're getting your Android devices. ADB shell. Sorry, this is service list, right? Where we are provided. Wait. Yeah. This is the PID. Like a PS means a print process services you will be getting. That is completely software services. Previously, I have talked with the 200 something. Here, you will be getting the using ADB shell PS. So print process you will get. Print process services. So status. What are the status you have? Everything you will get. This will not ask for the interview. Just for your understanding, I am giving this. ADB shell PS. Okay.
Ma'am, version is 12, but what is this build? Fingerprint will give you the build
This
number.
is build
ma'am.
number. Yes. So you can go to Android devices. Okay. About phone.
Okay.
There you need to check it for this. What are the versions you have and everything. Okay, go to about phone. There you will get, okay, whatever you are getting here, you will able to find out the models, okay, which model you are using, okay. And go to the software information, okay. And here you will get the baseband versions or kernel versions or build number. This is completely for the build number, okay. This is completely build number, and this is for the versions, OS version, which OS version you are using and which device you are using for this. Samsung. Okay. You can go and check in
Got
the
it, ma'am.
software informations, whatever there in the inside about. You will get to know which is the build number, which is the versions.
Got it, ma'am. I just checked.
Yeah.
Same.
So next command, we have done this to check the build fingerprint. We want to check the language, right? What language is there? By default, what language you have selected?
English.
English, right? To find out the language using ADB command prompt, we need to use this command. ADB shell get prop space persist dot sys dot local. This command is used to check your which language is there, whether English US or English something, whatever you have set it. If you are set it as Kannada or Hindi or mother tongue, any language you have, if you are selected as a keyboards, keys, on your settings of the Android devices, you will get it on this. Let me open new command prompt. So, yeah. Is it visible, right? So English GB. So this will be I'll be selected as a my devices for English GB. You have English whatever the language you want to select, you change the language and pass this command whether it is reflecting in your command prompt or not. Okay. Copy this command.
It's showing it's inaccessible or not found.
Check that proper commands. Are you giving the same spelling mistake and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Next heading. To check commands for Android current application. To check commands for Android current application. To check commands for Android current application. Memory usage below. Memory usage below. What command we need to use to find out the memory info? To check for all the application is taking the memory info of the applications, we need to use ADB shell. ADB shell dumps is ADB shell dumps is we need to use mem info. Whatever currently your how many KB is captured on your device. Okay, how many this totally you have application memory usage in kilobytes. Okay, this will be your used this many 213 and 932 process will be having total you are have real time of this. Okay, up to this time on my device. If you scroll down, you will get the memory usage of in the KB or KB's size. Let me just show you. Wait, how many RAM and ROM you have used it. There it is. Yeah. This means all the applications, whatever the applications is taking for this, how many KBs every this time. Okay, the current time. It will be vary for every seconds. Okay. Where it is persist. You have all the software and hardware applications, how much KB they are using. Okay, these are the native applications are used this many KBs. Okay. You have every separate native application or Android software applications or hardware application will be segregated here. Yeah, little bit. I'll just do up. See here, you will get at the end how much total RAM you have in your Android devices. How much free RAM you have. In that the free RAM, you have this much of caches and kernels and free. Okay, this will be added. And also used RAM, how much you have used RAM and the kernel and PSS. This is how much lost you have lost RAM and ZRAM. These are the first main thing. These three are RAM informations you will be getting on your devices. Okay. Just this command is used to get all the memory informations for all the softwares. All RAM and ROM informations you will get it. What is the command we are using for that? To check all the current application memory info usages. ADB shell.
ADB shell dumps is memory.
Yes. Dumps is mem info means memory info. Okay. But in a command prompt, we have to provide mem info. Copied this command?
Yes.
Okay. So next, one more command to find out next heading. Take the heading. List only the package names. List only the package names that contains Android.settings. Android.settings. To check the Android.settings, what are the packages we have in under Android settings? To find out that, we need to pass this command. ADB shell PM list. Sometimes they will ask this command. Okay, you need to remember this. To remember, you have to practice. Okay. Packages space Android.settings. ADB shell PM list packages Android space Android.settings. So this will be vary from your device to device. Sometimes whatever the list of packages will be available in your Android settings, those packages will be displayed here. In my current device, I have only two packages. One it is Android settings, Illegines, and one it is Android settings. Okay. So it will be vary from your phones. Sometimes you will get 3 options based on your devices. Okay. Copy this command.
There might be no output also, is it?
Yes.
Okay. So, Jana, till
Copy.
what time you'll be taking the classes?
Sorry.
Till what time you'll be taking the class?
Another half an hour. 5:30 is fine.
Yep. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Are you guys available tomorrow morning 7:30? 7:30 to 12?
Okay.
Okay, is that fine? Because we'll explain for completely Android Studio. the morning. After 12, will not take the class. Only first of morning. Is it okay for everyone? 7:30 morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone have the issues? Please try to attend. Okay, because there is a very important for Android Studio. I'll teach you how to set up the Android Studio and as well as how do we create the emulator devices. Okay. Are you guys know why we are using emulator devices?
It gives exactly the feel of that environment. It gives an environment.
Yeah.
It's a sample or a dummy Android.
Yes, it's similar as your Android devices. Sometimes you do some very rare cases, few companies don't have budget to purchase the devices, but they have the requirement of those devices. So that time they'll use to create the emulator device and test it the application. Whatever you have done with the physical device, right? For all the installation, uninstall, and explore the application, and take the logcat, bug report, screenshot, screen recorder, everything you can perform the same scenarios on your emulator devices. Okay. So this is all about these commands. I'll just check 2 more questions. Just 1 minute. Okay, I'm just giving what is this things. ADB shell. Why are we using ADB shell? Just make a note. This command will open a shell on the device. This command will open shell on the device. Copy it.
What does that mean, Saujanya?
See, whenever you are starting with any devices or any see, all this information will be there in the shell. Okay. Without shell, you cannot able to get this all the information, either fingerprint, either OS version, either languages, whatever. As of now, this command, it will be open on your shell on the device. What are the inside the devices you are having? Everything it will helps to get the information in Android or in ADB tool. So only we are using this ADB shell. Okay. See, for installing, are we used ADB shell?
No.
Only we are using few commands, right? ADB shell. See here, when you start with the WM start or to are we used taking the screenshot ADB shell? When you start from the screenshot, we are whatever you want to inside the devices. Okay, whatever the action you require the inside on the devices, we require the ADB shell. Okay. To install,
So that's like another command prompt in the phone, is it? So we are accessing the phone's command prompt through shell.
Yes.
Okay.
I want to interact to the devices. Whatever action is going, communicating or interacting to the devices, I want this ADB shell. Okay. To install the application, what you will give? ADB install, right? To start with the install.
Yes.
To uninstall the application, ADB uninstall you will give. Correct?
Yes.
This command. And ADB devices, why are we using ADB devices? List of the all all of the devices that we are currently connected to the computer. Correct?
Yes.
The same way.
Okay.
Let me give just highlightly. I'll give what is that ADB devices. You already know this. Till now we are using. Why are we using this command? This command will
List
list
the device, all the devices connected to.
all of the devices that are currently connected to the computer. Okay. This is just basic. If somebody is telling, you guys should aware of this. Okay. And ADB shell, ADB install. Why are we giving ADB install? Basic commands. These are. This command is used to. Why are we using this?
Install the application in the device.
Yes, this command will install an APK on the device, right? Next, let me give ADB uninstall. Why are we using this command? This command?
To
uninstall an
the
application.
application.
Yes. Instead of install, here uninstall. Uninstall an APK on the devices. Why are we using pull? ADB pull?
To fetch the data from the device.
Pull file from the device. Okay. This command will pull a file from the device. Next, one more. If you have pull, obviously by default, what command we should require? ADB push, right? Why are we using this push command? This command will push the file to the device. This is from the device. This is pushing means from push to the device. This command will push.
And it's going to push the file from laptop to the Android, ma'am.
Yes. This will be pulled from the device. You are taking from the devices. Okay. This will be push means you are pushing the devices on the devices. Okay. Taking and giving. Take and give permissions. Clear? This just basic things, basic commands. If somebody is asking, you guys should tell these things. Okay. Is it copied?
Yes.
Okay. Just one more point. One question. Make a questions. What happens when you type ADB kill server followed by ADB start server? ADB kill server. What happens when you type ADB kill server followed by ADB start server? What happens when you type ADB kill server followed by ADB start server? So always when your device is unauthorized, if something is devices getting crashed, you are giving like in command prompt, you are passing ADB kill server and next you are giving as a ADB start server, right? So killing the server, it will be kill the server. In the server, our device will disconnect. ADB start server means it will be firstly your list of devices connected, and again you have to give after this ADB connect with your IP addresses, or else you can give the device will be freshly connected to the server if you are connected with the USB cable. Answer, you can copy. The ADB kill server commands, the ADB kill server command shuts down the Android debug bridge server. The ADB kill server command shut down the Android debug bridge server. The ADB kill server commands shutdowns the Android debug bridge server, comma, while the ADB start server command start it up again. The ADB kill server commands shut down the Android debug bridge server, comma, while the ADB start server command start it up again. It's freshly start the try to connect the devices if you're giving as a ADB start server. In the server, it will be disconnect if you pass on the ADB kill server, and if you give the ADB start server, it will be reconnected on the server side. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. The last 3 commands, we'll do this. Tomorrow I'll give you the interview question once it is done with the Android Studio. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And I'll give you the difference between emulator and simulator once it is done it. Let's execute this last 3 commands. Just I'll show you that. Take the screenshot of that. 1 minute. Yeah. So these are the 3 commands whenever you want to perform the actions on your Android devices. First thing, if you want to press the home button, what you will do, not generally, you will press the middle button, then it will come to the home screen manually. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So using ADB tool also, you can able to come back to the home screen, or else you can able to capture the photo or any picture, and also you can come back to the one page back using this command. These are the 3 commands we'll be using in the ADB tool. Have multiple commands, but mainly we are using these 3 commands in the ADB tool. Okay, if you perform any actions on your Android devices using key codes. Copy this, everyone. Let's execute these 3 commands. And I have mentioned the precondition. Before you passing this command, the device should be in other than home screen. Then only it will come back to, if you pass this command, it will come back to the home screen. And if you want to click on the picture or from the camera, you have to there in the inside the camera screen. Okay, then only if you pass this command, it will be capture or taking the photo. Okay, and also this will be just come back to the one page screen back. You have to be there in the any of the application inside screen. Then only if you pass this command, it will come back out. Copy these 3 commands. Done?
Done, ma'am.
No, ma'am, no.
Okay. This is completely about Android debug bridge. This is how we need to explore it on our Android. We have still multiple commands. When you're working with real time, you will get to know every day. You will get some more commands from the developer side. If they need more information, how do we clear cache? And they'll be having separate commands for that every organization with every different applications. But enough, whatever I have thought from the morning to till now, this is more than enough to crack the interview. And also you can able to show the 3+ of your experience for this, all the commands. Every day you will be using these multiple times. Okay, based on the requirement, based on the application, you will pass these commands. Any doubt till now? Anyone?
No, Sojanya, all those worked properly.
Yeah. Please try to practice whatever I have said, right? Screenshot, screen recorder, lock at, installation, uninstall, downgrade the application, and reinstall the application, and to find out the languages or build number, fingerprint. These are all very, very important commands. At least you guys should aware of these minimum these commands. Other commands, if you are aware, or if you are aware of this command, that is fine. Nobody will ask those other commands, but whatever I have told you now, right, those command is very, very important. If without knowing these command, if you're attending as an Android test engineer or mobile application engineer, you they will get the doubt. Okay, they'll think about that you guys are not working like that. Okay, make sure you guys should aware of those, the all these commands and knowledge. Okay, so every day when you're doing the project sessions, try to execute these are the while taking the lockout screenshot, instead of using snippet, use the commands. Then you will get the handy. You can able to tell that I have experience to find out this bugs and to provide the lockouts. You can tell direct without hesitating directly with to the interviewer. Okay. Others, any doubt? Is it completed this screen?
Yes.
Still anybody is copying?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So any doubt? Anyone?
Ma'am, so press camera.
Will you guys
picture
try
should
to
be in-
practice? Yes, after.
Ma'am, for camera button, if we are in camera device with application, then it will come back to. It will take photo of that, ma'am. Of that.
Yes. I'll just execute those 3 commands. I'll show you that. Wait. I'll open Android Studio. Just 1 minute. I'll just show you this. And also, you guys should download the Android Studio applications tomorrow before coming to this. I'll just download and keep it with you guys. If you guys free, shall I show you that how to download this? Tomorrow we can finish up early if you are downloaded now.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we do it? Downloading application for in your laptop. It will just take 15 to 20 minutes.
Yes.
If you are set up this, tomorrow it will not take much time. Might be 2 to 3 hours, but we can able to complete. Just exploring this application tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. We can do this.
Hello, is I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Yeah, sorry guys, suddenly it got shut down, my laptop. I just reconnected. Okay, what is that? Are you guys tried those 3 commands?
Yes.
Right.
It's working?
Yes.
Who are all tried? Not yet tried, anybody? Okay, just explore those commands. If you're not getting, let me know. Tomorrow I'll show you one more time those commands. Okay. Now I'll just show you that how do we install the Android Studio. Okay. Just quickly we'll show that. Open the command window, the Chrome driver. You have to open here Android Studio download. Or else I'll just let me see that commands. Okay, let me just show you this. Open this Android Studio. Able to see my screen, right, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Here you will be having download Android Studio Jellyfish. Okay, Jellyfish. You need to download here. If you scroll down, you will get I have read and agree permission. You need to select it, then only it will be down. You need to click on the download option. It will be downloading on your file. Okay. Can anyone share your screen and show me so that I can show you that how do we install the applications? Since I have already installed my laptop, I cannot show you for all the applications for this, all the steps. Can able to share? Who is having good network as of now?
I have.
Okay. Yeah, Divya, you can share the screen. Meanwhile, everyone go to browser, download this file. Okay, I'll share you the link in this chat. Keep it download. Okay. Yeah, I shared the link. Divya, go ahead. Copy the path. Yes. And one more thing, while you start doing the Android Studio installation, you no need to stop it. Okay. Till it will complete. Click on that. Come down. Follow my instruction properly when you're downloading this Android Studio. Click on. Wait for some minutes. It will be downloading, I think. This will be around 1.1 GB will be there. Everyone keep the download file. Keep it download. It will take some time.
Sajanya, how about we download it today and configure it tomorrow?
Yeah, we can do it. No problem.
If everyone are okay with the same.
Yeah, we can do the same thing. Or else, will you guys download and keep it with you? Tomorrow I can show you that.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And also tomorrow for you guys, the task, whatever I have provided the commands, right? Try to execute today. If you are facing any issues, let me know on the tomorrow session. Is that okay with everyone?
Yes.
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 I want everyone should know that how to pass the command, how to execute the command. Okay, nobody should tell that any network issues or laptop issue, anything. If you facing any issues, let me know. Then only I can give the suggestions to do any other method how to execute those commands. Okay. Please try to do the practically. Don't keep quiet. Okay. Tomorrow, everyone download and come back. and install and come back, and I'll give the instruction and let me install. Then we'll explore the Android Studio. Just one thing I'll tell you, that without Android Studio we can able to use ADB, but without ADB we cannot able to explore the Android Studio. Okay, this is one thing, is major things. That's what I have completed with this ADB tool today. Okay, any doubt? Yeah.
No.
Ma'am, while executing those, like press home button and all
Hmm.
these three,
Mhm.
I'm not able to execute it, ma'am.
Just try another devices. Whatever I have passed the precondition, try with this. If you're not getting, I'll explain you tomorrow once again those three commands. Okay, practically I'll show you once it is installed with the Android Studio.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll share you the invite, guys. I'll share in the both of the groups. Please try to join shop 7:30 tomorrow. Okay, I'll give you a break for breakfast. Definitely.